How to use. Remove the main unit and all accessories. Insert the handle bracket into the bracket card slot on the side of the console. Unplug the rubber ring from the connector on the front of the instrument. Unplug the rubber ring from the handle connection. Align and plug in. Tighten the screws and tighten them. Install the foot switch cable. Replace the fuse. There are 3 small holes on the back of the instrument. Split water inlet. Scupper. The instrument needs to be filled with water before use. Install the hose funnel at the water filler. Infuse about 2 liters of distilled or purified water. Stop filling until there is water overflowing from the overflow. Wait for the overflow to be cleaned. Remove the hose funnel. Twist the screw cap of the overflow back on. The screw cap of the water inlet does not need to be screwed back. Open the screw cap of the drain outlet. And there will be water left in the drain until the water is clean. After filling or draining water, wipe the water stains on the instrument. Connect the power supply. Insert the key and twist it open. There is an emergency switch button directly above the instrument, which needs to be rotated and kept up to open the instrument before it can be started for use. In an emergency, press the emergency switch button, and the instrument will shut down immediately. 1064 nanometers operator interface. Install the 1064 nanometers probe on the handle. 3 display boxes. Check the energy display box. Check the frequency display box. Check the energy display box. This is the wavelength display and energy density. Install the 532 nanometers probe on the handle. Adjustment mode is the same as 1064 nanometers. Black face door operation interface. Install the black face door probe on the handle. Adjustment interface. Choose 1064 nanometers interface. Customer lies flat on the bed. Remove jewelry. Cleanser to clean face. Hot spray for 5–8 minutes. Apply the toner thinly and evenly to the face, avoiding the eyebrows, and wait for the toner to dry. Put the eye protection eye mask on the customer. Adjustment interface. Choose 1060 4nm interface. The operator holds the handle. The laser probe is perpendicular to the surface of the skin. The probe is about 5 cm away from the skin, and the operator steps on the foot pedal to start the operation. Blast the toner at a uniform speed. After the operation, release the foot pedal, click pause, turn off the machine. Clean your face with pure water. Apply medical cold compress film. Apply repair lotion, sunscreen, etc. 1060 4nm. Remove spots. Lighten pigmentation. Lighten acne marks. Adjust the parameters. Select 1064. The operator holds the handle in his hand. The laser probe is perpendicular to the surface of the skin. The probe is about 3–5 cm away from the skin, and his foot steps on the foot pedal to start the operation. Apply Type 3 Collagen Tightening acetate, a patented restructuring Type 3 collagen ingredient that promotes skin repair for firmness and elasticity. Apply Soothing Crystal Mask. Calm and soothe the skin. Reduce swelling and redness. Apply Repairing Lotion. Clean the probe and wipe it with alcohol.